What if I told you your Syngonium could look lush, this full, this vibrant, without buying more plants? If your Syngonium looks more like this, don't worry, you're not alone. And the good news? The transformation starts today. Syngoniums, also known as arrowhead vines, are beloved for their stunning foliage and easygoing nature. From delicate pinks to crisp greens, they're a favorite in many indoor jungles. But let's be honest, watching your Syngonium sit still for weeks, even months, without growing a single new leaf, it's disheartening. In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact techniques I've used to turn slow, struggling Syngoniums into fast-growing leafy showstoppers. We'll cover lighting, watering, humidity, the best soil mix, how to repot, when to fertilize, how to prune, and most importantly, how to bring out the of your Syngonium. If your Syngonium isn't growing, it's trying to tell you something. Most often, it comes down to just three things: light, water, and humidity. Let's decode them. Syngoniums crave bright, indirect light. A north or east-facing window is perfect. Too little light leads to leggy stems and pale leaves. Too much? You risk sunburn. If your plant is stretching or its colors are fading, it's asking for better light. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Don't follow a fixed schedule. Listen to the plant and its soil. Overwatering causes yellowing leaves and root rot. Underwatering? Crispy edges and drooping leaves. Syngoniums are tropical, meaning they love humidity. Aim for 50% or more. Use a pebble tray, mist regularly, or place them near other plants to create a microclimate. If your Syngonium is root-bound or in compacted soil, it's time to repot. Choose a pot only 2 inches wider, and use a light, airy mix. My favorite mix? 40% cocoa peat or potting soil, 30% perlite, 20% orchid bark, 10% vermicompost or worm castings. During the growing season, spring to early autumn, feed your Syngonium every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced fertilizer to boost leaf growth and vibrancy. You have 2 great options: synthetic and organic. For synthetic, use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer. Look for one labeled NPK October 10th 10 or 20-20-20. Always dilute it to half strength to avoid burning the roots, and apply it after watering moist soil, never when the soil is bone dry. For those who prefer organic, your Syngonium will love. First, vermicompost, also called worm castings. It's a gentle, slow-release food. Second, seaweed or kelp extract. It's excellent for boosting root and leaf development. Third, mustard cake fertilizer. It's rich in nitrogen, just soak and dilute properly. Or even banana peel tea for a potassium-rich natural feed. Use organic options once every 3 to 4 weeks. They're not only safer for your plant, but they also improve soil health over time, creating a thriving ecosystem in your pot. Pruning isn't just about shaping, it's about growth. Snip above a node to encourage branching. Remove yellow or dying leaves regularly so the plant can redirect its energy to new growth. When you combine the right care, the right soil, and the right pruning, you set your Syngonium up for success. These hacks work in harmony, not isolation. Just look at the difference. With a little care and a few key changes, you can take your Syngonium from tired to thriving, from average to absolutely stunning. If you've struggled with slow growth or sad-looking foliage, try these tips. Your Syngonium has so much potential waiting to be unlocked. Let it become the green, vibrant centerpiece your space deserves. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your plant-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Her Green Space for more calm, thoughtful plant care tips, where we grow together, one leaf at a time.